Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. You would have willing to left everything to follow Jesus. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, may I invite you to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will not miss none of what I go on right as up. 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 5 from verse 1 to verse 11. One day, Jesus did turn up a Lake Gennesaret, and people did a crowd round him to listen what God would say. When him look, him see 2 boats on the lakeside. The fisherman them did left them there and did a wash their net. So Jesus go in a Simon boat and ask him to carry the boat go little more in the water. Then Jesus sit down and teach the people them. After Jesus done talk, him said to Simon, go out in a deep water and throw out the net to catch fish. Simon answer, teacher, we work hard all night and we don't catch nothing. But since you say so, me will do what you say. When the fisherman them, we did our walk with Simon, do what Jesus say, them catch so much fish, them net start bust up. So the fisherman them call them brethren them in a other boat fi come help them. And the 2 boat them full so till they start sink. When time Simon Peter see all of this, him drop down at Jesus' foot and say, keep away from me, Lord, cause me a one man we do no wrong. Simon and all of the man them we did dead with him, shock when they see the heap of fish we they catch. 2 of Simon brethren them we did frightened too, a James and John, Zebedee boy them. Then Jesus said to Simon, no afraid. From now on, you're not going to catch fish. You're going to catch people. So, them pull them boat on the lakeside, left everything and follow Jesus. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.